The other like settings on here are, so if you push M here, you can choose what you want to view. So we just want to view like a single camera here, so it's going to be single camera, but your options are, you can view camera like 1, 2, 3, 4, you can view a dual screen, or you can go quad, or you can have like cycle through the cameras. That is obviously the screen off or the shutdown button here. In your settings, if we go through here, you have settings for like camera like 1 all the way down here. You can actually flip it horizontally or vertically. You can put the actual laser on or off, and the LED on or off. Oh, sorry, coming back. This is your system. You can put the dimmer on like auto, or you can set it to how you want it. Menu lock, you can actually lock out the menu. The buzzer can be off or on. Hide channel name, not much of that needs to be taught. Dual view, quad view. You can choose which camera you want to have, and this is the same for quad view. You can choose what camera is in what position. Trigger, if there's going to be those trigger wires that I pointed out before, if there is going to be a delay before it comes in, and the priority that which one wins. Auto scan is just, it can go through each camera and for how long. Power on, I want it to go to the single camera when it starts up. You can see it's come onto the auto dim. Parking line, you can have that on or off. This is like a forklift camera, so it's going to be off, and guidelines the same. That's going to be off. So that is pretty much all your settings on this camera and how you use it.